watching the News Hour Special Edition.
Welcome back. Late CDS General Bipin Rawat's daughters performed the final rites of immersing the ashes of General Rawat and his wife in the river Ganga in Haridwar. The security was beefed up in the entire area. Late CDS Rawat and his wife were among the 13 people who lost their lives in the chopper crash that took place on 8th of December in Tamil Nadu. A day after country's first CDS, General Bipin Rawat was cremated with full military honours in the Delhi cantonment. The family returning to the crematorium to pick the ashes. After traditional rituals and prayers, General Bipin Rawat's daughters carried away the ashes. In a couple of hours, the family, accompanied by army officials, arrived in Haridwar for the immersion ceremony. People lined up to pay their last respects and tributes. The family went through a private pre-immersion ritual and prayers on the ghats. The general's daughters immersing the ashes in the holy Ganges.
The ashes of CDS General Bipin Rawat and his wife Madhulika Rawat have been immersed in river Ganga over here in Haridwar. Now you can see the daughters of Bipin Rawat with the officials of Indian military and the close relatives and the priest are coming out after the immersion of the ashes in the river, and full guard of honor was being given to General Bipin Rawat when his ashes came over here.
For many, General Bipin Rawat's untimely death is yet to sink, and the Prime Minister once again reminding the people of the void left by the general's passing.
जनरल बिपिन रावत जी का जाना हर भारत प्रेमी के लिए, हर राष्ट्र भक्त के लिए बहुत बड़ी क्षति है। जनरल बिपिन रावत जी जितने जांबाज थे, देश की सेनाओं को आत्मनिर्भर बनाने के लिए जितनी मेहनत करते थे, पूरा देश उसका साक्षी रहा है।
The immersion of General Rawat's ashes may symbolize an eternal separation, but the general's life will continue to inspire generations. Bureau Report, Times Now. The mortal remains of squadron leader Kuldeep Singh, who was killed in the helicopter crash in Tamil Nadu, were consigned to flames in Jhunjhunu district. His wife Yashaswini lit the funeral pyre.
50 kilometers from Rajasthan's Jhunjhunu district headquarters, Kuldeep Rao Amar Rahe chants ringing in Ghaldana, the native village of squadron leader Kuldeep Singh. A huge crowd of mourners paying their final tributes. Tearful and emotional scenes at the funeral. A co-pilot in the ill-fated Mi-17 V5 chopper, Kuldeep is one of the 13 braves martyred in Wednesday's tragic crash. Father, a retired Navy officer, sister, currently serving in the Navy, Kuldeep's family is the pride of the village, and the loss is deeply felt by one and all.
हमारे लिए सबसे ज़्यादा सेटबैक है और देश के लिए भी सेटबैक है कि भारतीय सेना ने इतने होनहार अफसर को खो दिया है। हमारे परिवार के लिए ये बहुत दुख की घड़ी है और उनका बलिदान हम हमेशा याद रखेंगे। यही हमारे लिए दुख की घड़ी है।
आज हमारे गांव के लिए, पूरे ज़िले के लिए, राज्य के लिए, कहूँ तो देश के लिए बहुत ही क्षति हुई है। कुलदीप राव का व्यक्तित्व बहुत ही शानदार व्यक्तित्व था। एक ईमानदार, कर्तव्यनिष्ठ और समाज सेवी के रूप में उनकी अलग से पहचान थी। आज हमारे पूरे गांव में शोक की लहर है, लेकिन हम सभी ग्रामवासी ये संकल्प लेते हैं कि भाई कुलदीप राव की शहादत को हम सैल्यूट करते हैं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Kuldeep was married just 2 years ago. His untimely demise has devastated one and all. Today, Galdana is mourning its brave.
The mortal remains of Lance Naik Sai Teja, the personal security officer of late CDS General Bipin Rawat, reached Bengaluru 4 hours before the chopper crashed. The 27-year-old Lance Naik made a video call to his wife in Andhra Pradesh's Madanapalli town, and his last message to her was, "Be happy."
We are at the Air Force Station in Lanka. Right behind me you're seeing is the wreath-laying ceremony of Lance Naik B. Sai Teja, hailing from 11th Para Special Forces Regiment. Sai Teja was also there in the helicopter crash, and now, as you can see, 4 our senior Army officers and 3 senior Air Force officers paying their last tributes with full military honors to the brave son of the soil who will be missed in the days to come.
Jai Jawan and Jai Kisan resonated in the family of Lance Naik B. Sai Teja, a 27-year-old dedicated soldier belonging to the family of farmers, was the personal security officer of CDS Rawat. His family is yet to come to terms with the tragic reality. Syamala, his wife, will never be able to forget the last video call her husband made 4 hours before the ill-fated crash.
నా కోరికని వాళ్ళు అంగీకరించారు. అందుకనే ఈరోజు బాడీ అన్నయ్య మృతదేహం బెంగళూరుకి రీచ్ అయినప్పటికీ ఈరోజు రాత్రికి అన్నయ్య మృతదేహం బెంగళూరు బేస్ హాస్పిటల్లో ఉంచి రేపు ఉదయం 5 గంటల సమయంలో అక్కడి నుంచి బెంగళూరు నుంచి బయలుదేరి ఉదయం 9 లేదా 10 గంటల సమయంలో స్వగ్రహం ఎగువ రేగడపల్లికి చేరుస్తామని చెప్పి ఆర్మీ అధికారులు నాకు ఇందాకే ఫోన్ చేసి చెప్పారు.
Teja donned his uniform before stepping out of his home after a month-long leave in September. But his body will come to his home this time, wrapped in the tricolor. His 2 children, aged 5 and 2, who barely got to know their father, will now grow up to his tales of valor.